Hi, good afternoon, and good afternoon. Just on the prom, just going to be a very quick one this. Hope everyone's well and staying safe. It's rainy, it's not so nice, it's time we're on now, about 2:30. The 20th. Tide's out, as you can see. A few walking round. See, the car's got the lights on and what have you. It's just dull. I'm just having a walk. I'm just bobbing the shop to get some more tablets. Still having problems with my head. It's been not really moved for 3 or 4 days now, so I've run out of tablets. Pop and get some more, but I thought whilst I'm out, let's do a quick vid. Very quick one for you. Yes, it's a bit miserable. Like I say, Thursday 20th. I don't know if the rain's coming out, if you see it in the puddles and that. But yeah, it's just a bit on the wet side, shall we say. A couple on the beach and what have you. Yeah, so I've rang the dockies and what have you. Can't get until the 2nd. So I'm thinking if I'm still the same tomorrow, I'm just going to go and pop to the hospital and get checked out, I think. Wait until the 2nd. I missed one appointment through work, which was totally stupid, to be honest, but you think work comes first, don't you, when... No. Yeah, so I'll see what I'm like in the morning. Might just pop up to the hospital. It's that ringing in the ears that, and just the ache all the time. You can tell the carousel there's lit up on North Pier. I'll just pop the little shop in a minute, just get some more ibuprofen. Seems to help a little. Isn't it quiet though? It's really still as the sea. Came out a few days ago, didn't we? And it was right windy that day. Really windy. Just, it's ridiculous. Just dizzy all the time. So anyway, I hope everyone's well and staying safe. We'll leave it here. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.